Oh no, my Scentsy warmer won't turn on. That's all right. I'm sure it's an easy fix. I'm sure it's just the light bulb. That is always the first thing to check when your warmer won't come on. As I unscrew this, I can tell, yep, that bulb is definitely a goner. So now I need to figure out what size bulb I need. I look at the bottom of the warmer and it's marked there. I go to my stash of Scentsy bulbs and find the 25 watt. I know that's the one that I need. Now, not all warmers have it marked on the bottom of the warmer. Sometimes you'll find it on a tag on the cord. So if you don't see it on the bottom, just look for that tag. Screw that new bulb in there, and it is good to go, ready to help my kitchen smell super yummy. I just popped that dish back on there and put in some new wax. I decided to warm Whip Lavender Vanilla. It is one of my favorites.